Hey guys! Today gagawa tayo ng beef burger with pancakes. So here are our ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 1 kilo of ground beef o giniling na baka. So 1 kilo. Meron tayo ding 2 itlog, small size lang. If bigger one, at least you can use 1 large egg. Then, meron tayo ditong seasoning for burger. So, mabibili nyo na yan in grocery store. So, meron na doon burger seasoning mix. And then, we have salt and pepper. So, meron din tayo ditong, so nakamix na yung ating for pancakes. So, una natin gagawin, so lagyan natin yung ground beef natin. Yung 2 eggs natin, i-crack na natin. Yung next na natin. Lagyan natin dito sa ground beef natin. Gawin lang natin, haluin natin siya. Mix natin. So, after mixing ng ground beef natin sa eggs, lagay na natin yung seasoning. So, we have here yung burger seasoning. So, may mix na siyang onion, garlic, and other seasoning na needed para sa paggawa ng burger. So, at least 1 tablespoon. And then, also, meron tayong pepper para ma-add on yung taste na parang maanghang. This one naman, 1 teaspoon of pepper. And then, the salt. So, tansyahan lang to. Kailangan hindi maalat, hindi sumobra. So, I'll make, for 1 kilo, I'll make 2 tablespoons of salt. So, mix natin sila ulit. So, ang gagawin natin, yan. Para hindi dumikit sa kamay natin. Mas maigi, maglagay kayo ng, or kumuha kayo ng round na bagay. Kung wala kayong molder, round na bagay for this. Ayan. Ayan. Then I have meron ako ditong lagayan para hindi sila magdikit. There you go. So, lagyan natin ng konting oil. A little bit of oil. There. So, luto na ang ating beef burger patty. So, pwede na natin siyang iset aside. So, next natin na gawin is yung ating pancake. Yung pancake natin, if you saw the video na how to do yung pancakes natin, yun yung gagawin natin now. So, already mixed. So, gagawin ko na lang siya is lulutuin ko siya ngayon. Lagyan natin ng butter. So, yung sinabi ko dun sa other video ng paggawa ng pancake, magbabubbles yung pancakes natin. After that, magbubble. Pwede na natin siyang i-flip over. There we go. So, here we go. So, lalagyan na lang natin siya ng pancake syrup. And some butter. And well, so ito na ang ating beef burger patty with pancakes. Enjoy, guys!